Hi, welcome back to the channel. Have I got a real gem for you today? Not many people seem to know about this. I've shown this to quite a few of my friends. Not one of them knew. Interesting. It's been in Samsung phones for many, many years. It is hidden, to be fair. It's a hidden setting so you can enjoy your music more, videos, even phone calls. It will fine-tune the sound to you and your personalized hearing. What do I mean by that exactly? Well, as we all get a little bit older, from the age of evidently 18, according to the research I've done, all of us our hearing will change. Some of us will hear more high notes, low notes, more bass, less bass, and so on and so on. What this does is give you a hearing test built into the phone. And once you press save, it's going to save it as that's the one you like. So every time thereafter you listen to a phone call on your earbuds, whatever earbud you use, or your headphones, cable headphones, it will remember that choice and it will automatically adjust the frequencies just for you. Can't be fairer than that. And the price of this setting, feature, app is zero. I know we all like that. Absolutely zero. But the difference it makes really is enormous. So I'll show you that in 2 seconds. If you enjoy the video, let me know by pressing like. Send this to your friends by pressing the share. Obviously, I've got to say that because it actually helps more people find the video. A lot of work goes into these, doing this kind of research. So I appreciate you doing that. And I've got some other videos coming up that I think you're going to find of interest, especially if you have an Android phone. So on with the tuition now. Okay, so go to settings, go to sounds. Now this will vary a little bit on each phone and each model, but then go to, you've got all these options as you can see, sound quality and effects. And here, adapt sound. Now what this will do is actually give you a hearing test. Now it doesn't give you the results, so to speak, like 9 out of 10 or something like that. But what it does do is measure your individual ability to hear the highs and the lows and the bass, etc., etc., etc. Then and thereafter, it will fine-tune everything you listen to so the frequencies will be personalized to your personal hearing. That makes sense. It's really good. I've noticed a major difference. So here I've accepted it to adapt sounds for media and phone calls. You also have the option of choose, if you're very lazy, you just go by age group, because after the age of about 25, our hearing changes. Everyone's slightly different regarding the frequencies. As you can see here, it gives you a little bit of a definition. And these, I've done 2 profiles. You can call them whatever name you want. One is if I use headphones with a cable, the old-fashioned type, or ones with the wireless Bluetooth. And the difference really is enormous. I can't tell you how much a difference it is. So once you choose like one of these, you carry on. These are what I've already got set. Then you press test my hearing, and you can do it, as I mentioned, with as many different headsets as you've got, and you choose and rename it to the headset that you've just chosen. You press test my hearing, and I'll just read this out to emphasize, you've got to do this, at least the initial setup, in a very quiet place. And then it's going to ask you to press start. Okay, and as you can see, you've got to put headphones on. Now, it's pointless cheating by saying, yes, you can hear the little bleeps when you cannot. The only person you're cheating is yourself. So that's a total waste of time. So really be totally honest. You'll be amazed. Sometimes you cannot hear all the bleeps. I don't think anyone ever could after the age of about 16. So it does emphasize, anyone that does all these headphone reviews, they always emphasize this is my personal taste. And I'll be doing a review very soon of what I consider to be a great headset, very unique, coming up in the next week or so. So please press subscribe. Hope you found this useful. Let me know if you knew about this little hidden secret. Thanks again.